So here is the room diffuser, and I want to give you some recipes today that you can have all the amazing scents of fall without the crazy hormones. Okay, so if you're new to our channel, be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification so you can find out about future content on our channel. Today we want to talk about fall diffuser blends. Fall is one of my absolute favorite seasons. I love the crisp air, I love the beautiful fall foliage, and I especially love all things fall when we get to bundle up. I love my boots and a warm cup of coffee, but I especially love fall scents. Now here's the thing, I'm going to let you in on a little bit of a secret. Years ago, I used to love candles. Yes, I loved candles. And please don't judge me. I just didn't know better. I didn't know that there were toxins in those candles that were estrogen disruptors, that they could even cause cancer. So I have a fall challenge for you. Say bye-bye to your toxic candles and plugins and say hello to the room diffuser. Out with the crazy scents and in with the beautiful scents of fall that will not disrupt your hormones, naturally enhance your immune system. I have been utterly blessed by ditching the toxic candles and the plugins. Do you struggle with allergies or headaches, maybe even ADHD? Do you have coughs, congestion, maybe even cancer that runs in your family? And for sure, abnormalities in hormone levels. All of these things may be attributed to your candles, plugins, or even laundry scents. Anything that has an artificial smell is disrupting things in your body. So we want to get rid of those and replace them with easy to use, pure essential oils that will leave your air feeling cleaner, your immune system supported, easier respiratory breathing, more focused and concentration, supporting a healthy immune system, and of course supporting your hormones in a natural way. So here is the room diffuser, and I want to give you some recipes today that you can have all the amazing scents of fall without the crazy hormones. Okay, so if you're new to our channel, be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification so you can find out about future content on our channel. I'm going to give you 14 different recipes for your diffuser. Now, you can either push pause and get a pen and paper, or just take a snapshot of your screen every time a recipe is going to pop up on the screen for you. If you stick around to the very end, I'll tell you my #1 favorite recipe for the fall that I'm diffusing right now. Okay, so there are certain scents and certain smells that you're going to see that are characteristic to the fall time. Cinnamon and cassia are one of them. Now, cinnamon and cassia are not one and the same thing. If you're new to essential oils, you're going to love doTERRA. Cinnamon essential oil is actually cinnamon bark that is distilled. Cassia is similar to cinnamon bark, but it's not the same thing. So when you actually go to your grocery store and get cinnamon spice, that's actually cassia. And so very, very different, and actually cinnamon essential oil is more expensive than cassia, and even some companies have tried to pass off a cassia oil for cinnamon. When you smell both of them at the same time, you won't be deceived because cinnamon has a very distinct aroma to it, but they are similar. So cinnamon and cassia are some of the aromas of fall. Lemon and wild orange. Clove and On Guard essential oil blend has clove in it, but again, distinct different smells. Coriander, cypress, frankincense, and cedarwood give you those deeper notes, and then Siberian fir or Douglas fir and sandalwood. So those are some of the oils that we're going to cover in some of the recipes today. Okay, so the very first blend that I want to give you is called Fire's Glow. You're going to use 1 drop of Arbor Vitae, 2 drops of spearmint, and 1 drop of cinnamon. You're gonna love this scent. It smells like a fire's glow in your home. The next blend that I will give you for a diffuser recipe is called Sugar and Spice. You'll use 1 drop each of sandalwood, motivate, grapefruit, and cassia. It smells sweet and spicy at the same time. The next blend that I love to diffuse is called Apple Pie. I don't know about you, but there's nothing like coming into the home and it smells like apple pie. How can we enjoy the scent without all of those calories? So I have a great recipe for you. 4 drops of Douglas fir, 2 drops of lime, and 2 drops of cassia will smell like apple pie in your home. Before you have guests come over or your holiday party, stick that in your diffuser and people will think you have been baking all day. The next blend for the diffuser is called ginger snap. If you like that gingery aroma, you're gonna love ginger snap. So 2 drops of clove, 2 drops of cassia, and 3 drops of ginger in your diffuser will smell like that ginger snap. Okay, the next one is called oatmeal cookie. Who loves oatmeal cookies? I sure love oatmeal cookies, but I don't really care for the raisins. Please type in the comments and let me know what type of oatmeal cookie you like. Do you like raisins or no raisins? We have a debate about that at our house. Okay, so oatmeal cookie recipe in the diffuser is 2 drops of cedar wood, 2 drops of cassia, and 3 drops of wild orange. I love the way it smells and it makes me happy, and I can enjoy the aroma of an oatmeal cookie without all of the calories. The next blend is called pumpkin pie. 3 drops of cinnamon and 1 drop of clove in your diffuser will smell like pumpkin pie in your home. The next one is called Thanksgiving blend. Now, Thanksgiving blend is made up of 3 drops of cypress, 2 drops of sandalwood, 2 drops of Douglas fir or Siberian fir. The next one is called Thankful Heart. 1 drop of ginger, 1 drop of cinnamon, 2 drops of coriander, and 1 drop of clove in your diffuser to help with feelings of a thankful heart. The next one is called the Lumberjack. It's a woodsy aroma, excellent for men. You're gonna love this smell. 2 drops of arbor vitae, 2 drops of cedarwood, and 2 drops of sandalwood. These are excellent aromas. Guys love it because it's those grounding smells, and they're gonna love going into the holidays and Thanksgiving season with those smells. The next one is orange cinnamon buns. Who loves orange and cinnamon together? Is such an amazing blend. So 4 drops of wild orange, 3 drops of cinnamon, and 3 drops of cardamom are excellent in a diffuser, and this is also one of my favorites. The next one is called the Snuggle blend, and that is 3 drops of cinnamon, 2 drops of clove, and 2 drops of Douglas fir or Siberian fir. Now here's a healthy recipe for fall that will help boost immune system naturally, and that's On Guard fall blend. 3 drops of On Guard, 3 drops of lemon or wild orange in your diffuser. Fall treat is an excellent recipe. 3 drops of wild orange, 2 drops of frankincense, and 2 drops of cassia. And now drum roll for my last one and my favorite scent, and I'm diffusing it right now, is pumpkin spice latte. It is 3 drops of clove, 3 drops of cinnamon, 2 drops of On Guard, and 1 drop of wild orange. So these are the top 14 scents for the fall for your diffuser. I hope you see a theme here of some of the top oils that you could mix together and even create your own blends. Ditch those toxins in your home. You're not gonna miss your candles and plugins, I assure you. Thank you so much for watching today. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification if you're new to our channel. You're gonna love the content we have coming up. On the next video, I'm gonna share my secrets to my youthful and radiant looking skin. I'll give you a peek into my life and what is my top secret agent for youthful looking skin. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching today's video. We hope you found it super exciting and helpful to take a peek into the world of essential oils. As always, we appreciate your comments and feedback. Be sure to comment below and let us know what was your favorite part of this video. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed, you don't want to miss our next video.